Hi friends! Through MyDvija, since last 10 years, I have been training expecting couples when it comes to labor handling, delivery, breastfeeding, postnatal care. And why this entire thing we have been doing? For a very simple reason. I've been believing that a confident mother will give birth to a confident child. It's about being of the child. But far before that, if you are confident in your pregnancy, every decision that you take in your pregnancy, when it comes to medication, when you go for sonography, when you do your blood checkups, when you deliver, when you take your child, you are far more confident and knowledgeable because you know you are doing what and you are doing why. And both the answers are extremely crucial according to me for that particular phase of your life. Now I'm holding something very funny in my hand. You all might feel why she's holding an apple. This is apple. All of you know it obviously. Why all of you know? Have all have been asked to sit and learn and listen n number of times. Yes, we have studied in our childhood that A for apple. But across a period of time, we don't need revision of it. Because this is a common sense. Shreya, this is apple. We have been using it on a day-to-day basis. So what do I mean by this? When there is something which is years together going on, it's believed and it's proven. And something on the same line we are going to study when it comes to pregnancy. Not on the same line with apple, but something that has been believed since years together. It's my mother, my mother-in-law, her mother-in-law, her mother. It's been generations together. Women has been getting pregnant. We have never heard a man getting pregnant, right? So women body is designed like that. There are few of you have asked me, no Shreya, अगर मुझे labor pain bear नहीं हुआ तो, like if I'm not able to bear the labor pain. See, God is such a humongous planner that He won't give you the baby that you cannot bear or you cannot deliver. So in my earlier Facebook live, I explained you about what is rhythmic labor pain. Today I'm going to explain you about how the labor pain is actually initiated. This is the baby in the womb. So just imagine, okay? And this is mother's brain. So how the entire labor pain is there? When your child is ready to be born, Shreya, when it will happen? Doctor ne, the due date that your doctor has given? No, actually there is nothing called as due date. Even if you go through your sonography, you will go on observing the due date keeps on changing. Sometimes sonography will show this date, sometimes sonography will show that date. And if you calculate as per your LMP, the date is completely different. Why it's varying? It completely depends on how your child is growing. So, so many midwives or the doulas, they say such a wonderful concept that it's never a due date, it's a due month. In Hindi, the line is so beautiful. कोई भी बच्चा calendar देख के पैदा नहीं होता है. They will be born the way when they feel I am ready, mama, to come out. And labor pain is their signal. So when child is ready, child gives signal to mother's brain. Mama, send labor pain. I am ready to come out. And when this signal is sent, this all is done through hormones. A mother's brain sends and signals down. And that is labor pain. So little more your baby is down. Little more opening is there. Regarding opening, we shall discuss in our next video. But for now, mama, I'm little more ready to be born. That's what we call progressive labor pain. Okay, little more labor pain a mother's brain is going to send. So the entire being born or the delivery process is guided by your child. And that's why they say the 80% of work is done by the child. When the child will be born, the position of the child, when the labor pain will start, what will be the frequency of labor pain, with what speed the child will demand for labor pain, everything is 80% and here is 20%. You all might feel itna sara pain, so much of pain how child is bearing. Very simple. If I take all of you to Asal World and I make all of you to sit in a roller coaster ride, which is like up and down and round and round and round, when you come out you feel, what a thrill it was. We don't feel, chhut gaya. No, because we willingly went inside. So when child willingly get into the labor pain, this entire compression of labor pain, your child is able to take it with a smile. And that's what tells your child, A, you're strong enough to face the world. And apart from that, a spiritual, wonderful meaning that they say. So many of them telling, why normal delivery, normal delivery? And I've been telling people, due to medical reason, in case you had to go for C-section, you can always carry a positive belief that at least you went through the labor pain. Going through labor pain itself tells your child the life ahead is going to be led by you, and it's going to be like this. You go through the challenges, you found the solution, you go through it, and yes, you are ready to enjoy the result. So this is the entire process of labor pain. Mama, I am ready to be born. Mama is sending labor pain. And then child is delivered. So this is it, what I wanted to explain to all of you. And lastly, what I want all of you to know. Basically, when your child takes the head down position and your child is ready, when it can happen, anytime is the 9-month start. Before that, whenever you feel pressure down, it's basically your child is practicing the movement. Usually 8th month onwards, child practices. Oh, this position is right? Might be. No. Oh, this is not right at all. Oh, this is something wrong. So your child is practicing for them to come out. And when the final position is set, your child gets into this entire signal. So Madhvija believes this particular understanding will help you to be a little more confident, little more knowledgeable about the whole process. And let's meet once again. Thank you so much, all of you. Don't forget to subscribe to my Dvija channel on YouTube. We have a Facebook page on which we have a lot of wonderful updates keep coming, and we have a website www.mydvija.com. If any one of you expecting, we would love to help you to make your journey very, very, very confident. Thank you so much, all of you. Keep watching and bye.